Okay, this is day one of posting a standard that Bobby Darin recorded. I like New York in June. How about you? I like a Gershwin tune. How about you? I love a fireside when a storm is due. I like potato chips, moonlight, motor trips. How about you? I'm mad about good books, can't get my fill. When Bobby Darin cooks, it gives me a thrill. Holding hands at the movie show when all the lights are low ain't nothing new, but I like it. How about you?